Hello, Alessandra here. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are talking about Christmas. We're not actually talking, but we're gonna create some Christmas ornaments because it is November, so basically it is Christmas. I haven't done my I haven't put up my Christmas decorations yet, but pretty soon. I thought it would be a fun idea to create some air dry clay Christmas decorations and also finish up some other decorations that I've already started paint and I need to add the final touches, and I wanted to show that as well. A little, what's this called? I forgot. Manusha. Nu știu cum îi zice în engleză. Snowflake. Anyways, so yeah, let's get to work. This will be on my website and I hope you like them, and let's get to painting and crafting.
And won its Star and Oscar. Now, top returns. Everyone's going to like it.
So while these Christmas ornaments are drying out, we are gonna start painting the ones that are already dry and I already started creating.
On Thursday, the video didn't get any more views.
The clay decorations are all dried down, and now it's time to use the sandpaper and slightly sand them just to be smoother, just to kind of get rid of any imperfections, and then this shouldn't take too long. Let's get this done. I only have about an hour and a half max to finish all this.
A few moments later.
I might have a slight problem with buying cookie cutters. I have these new ones and then I have a bunch of these. But yeah, they're so cute and there's so many ideas to be created. We've made some progress. Currently we have this. I finished applying the first coat on every decoration. This unfortunately broke. I will try to glue it. I don't know if anything will happen with it. I feel so sorry because it looks so nice, but yeah, it's very, very, very flimsy, and I think the mistake was that when I used the mold, it already had a crack and I didn't repair that. So for something so thin, yeah, I think it was too much. But anyways, let's apply a few more coats of paint, and I think I'm gonna call it a day for now. the week is still young. I'm just filming this. It's gonna be, it has to go up in 2 weeks. So yeah, I think this is the earliest I've filmed anything since opening up this channel. Usually I think of an idea a few days before and then frantically edit the video and then post. But I'm trying to be more organized because I can see it has a huge impact on how I edit as well and how I prepare and on the quality of my videos. And even though up until now I wasn't really, not that I didn't care, but it wasn't my main thing to make sure that the videos I edit are really good. I just wanted to upload videos to YouTube, to be fair. Now I feel like I want to invest more in how I produce the video, the quality of it, the edits, the story behind it.